So you want to separate your mesh. Outstanding. Let's just tab into edit mode and create some subdivision. I'm going to go into wireframe mode. You can click that up here, or you can hit Z4, and we're in wireframe mode. Now take a look. With my face selected, I'm just going to select all these guys down here. Now, this is the part on my mesh that I want to separate. Okay, and you do that by hitting the P key. P as in Papa, just like that. And now I can separate by selection, material, or loose parts. If you want to, I'm just going to click material, and now watch up here in the top right. See, I got cube right there, and now when I hit P right over here, I hit selection, and now I got 2 cubes. So I can do cube top and cube bottom. Let's click into solid mode, and now look, I can grab this up here, and I can grab this down here. Do what I want. There you go. That is how you separate your mesh. Now go forth and mesh what thou wouldst.